going to work. It's a Monday morning, sunny morning, and I'm going to work. The sun is hot, so we need this to protect the eyes. See you when I get there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spea. It's been a while. Yeah, guys, I had a terrible acne breakout. Like, look at my face. Oh, I'm going to do an update on that. If this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up and say something in the comments below. I look so good this morning. I don't know why. But I'm just here feeling myself. Happiness. Hey, if I work on my business. Okay. This is it. It's a jumpsuit. Polka dots. Then this is the neck. This is thrift. I got it through a friend who knows the seller. Something nice for a Monday morning, casual. I just got here, so I need to clean and arrange. Japan in Nigeria. It should be Miniso, Nigeria, not Japan. Hey guys, good morning and happy new month. So it's another day, and today I have a lot on my list. So first of all, I'm going to the market. I want to prepare NKUKWO, so you're going to see that in today's video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being there, and I'm grateful for that. So we are still on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Make that happen. Share this video, tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. So I've been doing a lot of shopping these days. Like, I've been going on a shopping spree. Just something small, like something I need at home. And let me show you what I got at Miniso. Let me quickly show you that. And something, okay, I got this. I think it's a jug, or yeah, a glass, yeah, see it here, soda lime glass pot. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Should I bring it out? Yeah, I think I should. Let me bring it out. It's so hard doing this thing with one hand. Sorry. So this is what it looks like. And I've always wanted to have something like this, and probably for tea and also a glass pot like this, a glass mug, and there's something like that for tea. You know, see through, for you to see what I'm taking. So I got this for, I think it was for 1,900 or so. My sister has this, she bought it there as well, and I like it. I've always wanted to own a face wipe. Like, you can't believe it, guys. Every time I wear makeup, I had to take wipes from the studio. Like, it's so shameful to do that. So finally I've gotten one for myself, and this is it. This was for, I think, also 1,900. And I got this spray. This was for 1,2. I can remember this very clearly. 1,2. And this is what I got yesterday to wash my hair, and for my body as well. This is what I use. So I'm washing my hair today, so that's why I got this yesterday. And this is another one I like. Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. I got this yesterday. I used this as well. And I got this. I got two because one is for the salon. I'm taking this to the salon. I got the big jar. I got this. It's not so expensive, but I love the smell. And if you're battling dandruff, try this. I got this 2-in-1, smooth and silky. One more thing, there's something missing here. Where I actually shop these things, the guy made a mistake. I think while waiting, because I made a transfer, while waiting for him to confirm the transfer I made, there was another customer that walked in, so he packed my own stuff and kept it. They were talking or something, so there was a mix-up, and he had to he added the things the other guy paid for into my own bag and gave it to the guy. I just noticed this morning, I remember that I paid for a toothpaste and it wasn't here, so I had to call him, and thankfully he has gotten the things back, because he said he knew the customer that came in to get those things last night. And I'm getting back my toothpaste. So guys, right now I'm going to the market. I'm preparing EKPANG like I said. So I'm going to the market to get the ingredients. I have some here in the house, and I need to get more from the market. So I'm taking you along. I hope you enjoy the ride, the walk, and the biking, because guys, in this new environment, is bike all the way. We bike all the way. So let's go. Sun is out. On my way to the market, there's this place I usually see on my way to work every morning, where they sell these sweatpants on the road. So I decided to check. You know, when you're in a moving vehicle and you thought, oh, maybe this place is not far. That's what happened to me today. I decided, okay, let me just take a walk to the place, only to discover that I have walked miles. So I ended up not paying, like taking any transport to the market. I had to walk, because from the place to the market is not quite far, so I had to do that. So these are the sweatpants, and I got two. In Nigeria, let me tell you a secret. If you're going to buy something and they tell you a price it lesser. Then from there you go up a bit. So initially the seller told me that these two, or okay, each one was 2.5. So I picked two. I asked how much is it, and they said they're going to give me for 3.5. Yes, 3.5. So I ended up getting these two for 2,500 naira. So that's the power of pricing. I'm going to try this on. I like. It's not bad. I like it. I like that it's high waist. I like it. Even without tying this, it's okay. The second one, for some reason I'm feeling like when I put my hand inside the pockets, I should be able to bring out something, like find money inside, but there's no money inside. And this is it. But this is not so long like the first one. This is more fitted, but I still prefer the first one though. And these are thrift. This is not bad. So I'm going to wear this to work. The raining season is coming, so I needed this. But you can't get that in this city, so this is what I'm going to use to wrap the leaf. Meanwhile, this is pumpkin leaf for my Igbo brothers and sisters. Ugu leaf. What do you call this in your language? We, the Akwa Ibomites and Cross Riverians, we call it EKPANG. So I'm going to use this to wrap my EKPANG. Here is my pot. I'm going to add some oil, palm oil. So I sit around. Then my periwinkle. I'm going to remove some. Put it in the pot.
feels like a test that I fail. So depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Yo, who said food is not good? I'm done eating now. It's time to wash my hair because it's almost dark. Not dark really, but my hair takes a lot of time to wash, so this is what I'm using to wash my hair, and this 2-in-1 shampoo, and I'll use this, the leave-in conditioner. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I finished my hair yesterday. So this is it after washing. I African threading to stretch my hair. Yeah, that's it. So I'm ready for work. I'm leaving right away, and I just want to say happy Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I was there when I needed someone.